One of the important things about making any kind of video that you want somebody else to watch is good sound. When I'm sitting here recording at my desk, I'm using a pretty nice microphone, some software that manipulates the sound a little bit, but there are a lot of times when I want to use a different camera, and I'll use something like this, but the microphone on this is not fantastic. It's okay, but it's not great. I've got a new microphone solution that I'm very excited about. Comica Professional Audio Equipment. This particular set has a receiver that you plug into your camera, and then it's got a monitor jack as well where you can listen and hear whatever's being broadcast. And then it's got two transmitters. These are supposed to be able to transmit sound up to 400 feet away. So I'm very excited to test that out. This should hopefully solve my problem of getting good sound when I'm far away from the camera. Let's unbox them and put it together. Here's some of the features. I don't want to read through all of these. You can do that on the website, wherever they sell this. They do have different configurations that you can order. You can have a single receiver transmitter, a single receiver microphone, just a transmitter, just a microphone, whatever. 2 AA batteries per receiver and per transmitter. So if you don't have AA batteries, get some. Whoa, I didn't even realize that. Comes with a super nice carrying case. Holy cow. That's like nice hard plastic, good latches. Okay, that's great. Because what you don't want is to spend this kind of money on something like this and then have it get broken because you just threw it in a little bag. Ooh. Wind fluffy. Here's one of the lapel mics. Nice connectors. That's not shabby. So this is another lapel mic. This is one kind of connector for the receiver, depending on what you want to connect it to. This end here would go to your receiver, and then if you have this style of connection on your camera or other equipment that you're using to capture the audio, this is the one that I'll use because this will connect to the receiver and this will connect to my camera. There you go. Now with this connected to the receiver, my camera can be 300, 400 feet away from me and I'll still get my audio. So excited about that. So excited about that. No sticker. Every electronic device should come with a branded sticker. Woo. Here's the manual. It's actually quite a bit to it, just in each language. I don't know how many languages it is, but look at that's all still English. So it's only in 2 languages. That's a lot of information. That's good. That means to me that there's probably very little that it doesn't explain in here somehow. Here are the 2 transmitters and the receiver. There is nothing cheap about the construction of these. The outside is metal. The battery pack has a unique little mechanism. You squeeze these 2 little tabs here. Pull that out. Pretty nice. The microphone, I love this. When you plug the microphone in, it screws in as well. That's not going to accidentally get dislodged. And then they've got these belt clips that they come with. And again, nothing cheap about this. This is not a plastic clip with a spring that you're going to break on your belt or the first time it gets caught on something. So you clip this on the back. So now that clip is in there. It does have a connector here that looks like you could put it on a tripod. I don't know why you would want to do that with the transmitters. That might be useful for the receiver, but the transmitters have it as well. For the receiver, they have this, which is a bit of a clamp that you can also put on a tripod or something, or maybe screw it to the top of a camera. Some cameras have that kind of a connector on top, like where the flash goes, I guess. So this thing just slides in like that, and it uses the belt clip, but now you've got the ability to tighten it down to a tripod or something else, and then it pretty easily comes back off again if you don't want to use it. When we put batteries in it, it's got a power button right here in the middle. It's also the mute button. You got to hold it down to get it to turn on. And then it pops up, and there's a selector on the side here, whether you want this to be channel A or channel B. There you go. So now it's channel A, and I can change it to B with the slider here. You can see when the microphone is picking up. See right there, when I talk into the microphone, it shows on here that it is active. Okay, now it's muted. When the red light comes on, it's muted, and the little bar that shows the sound wave is gone. Got a battery sensor there, and there's a whole bunch of other settings. Input, mic, low cut filter, version, reset. Oh, you can change the language. Oh, the backlight. Now we can turn on the receiver. All right, what does our display show us here? It shows group A and group B. You can see whether or not there is sound being picked up, and both of them are picking up my voice. Group A, volume setting, auto scan, sync, backlight, English. So I think you can change the volume of each channel individually. So you could be recording channel A louder than channel B. So if you wanted to pick up ambient sound, but you wanted it to be recorded at a lower volume, you could do that. Okay, that is cool. They look pretty good. I'm very happy with the quality. These are not cheap. You can select here whether you want just channel A or just channel B, and it gives you a very clear indication that channel B is off. The red light means it is off. Switching to channel A being off. And now they're both on. Gives you a signal strength indicator as well as it gives you a battery indicator for each transmitter. So you can see if one of the transmitters is getting a low battery. It's a lot of information on that little screen. Man, this thing is cool. Now let's see how far we can get and still have it pick up sound. Okay, we're gonna give this microphone a test. I've got one on. Dawson's got one on. It's connected to the camera, and I'm listening to the output. Talk.
Talk.
Yep, I can hear him. Okay, now he's gonna go outside, and we're gonna see how far he can go and we can still hear him. Okay.
Da, 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 da. Am I still good? Okay. I'm gonna keep going. I don't know if he can hear me or not. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. I think they can.
He's cutting out a little bit at that point. Oh, he's still going. I can still hear him. Wow, he's far.
There's that grass over here, so I'm not gonna walk because I forgot to bring shoes.
He still sounds good. So at that distance, there's no cutting out at all. He was a little further away, there was some cutting out, but you still could get most of what he was saying.
I would call that a pretty successful test. That's beyond a football field, so that's over 100 yards, so it's over 300 feet for sure. Maybe at about 150 or so, we might have gotten a little bit of cutting out every once in a while, but for the most part, it worked pretty well. Good job.
I'm back.
We could still hear you all the way over at the church.
Really?
Yeah. It would cut out a little bit every once in a while, but we could still hear you all the way over there.
Nice.
Okay, I'm testing the mic again. I think it sounds great. I think it picks up a lot of other noise. Like there isn't really much else happening in the house right now. I can hear the air conditioning, but that's about it. It's pretty quiet, but when I go back and listen to the recording, it sounds like it's picking up a lot of other noises. Good and bad. I had to turn down the volume of the microphone quite a bit. It started at 12, and it was just too loud to listen to, so I turned it all the way down to 2, and hopefully that's picking up a lot less of the background stuff and just me talking. Okay. Thanks for watching.
Until next time, adios.
Adios. If you need help or want to chat with me or others who also enjoy projects like this, you can find us on Facebook and Discord. If you like what I'm doing and you want to support me, you can use my special product links in the video description, or head over to Patreon, or just like and share my videos. That's easy. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, this box will take you to a playlist of some of my favorites. In addition to videos like this, I also do live streams every Sunday. This box will take you to a recording of the latest live stream. That's all for now. Adios.